Hey, welcome back. Today we're going to focus on our push-ups. Now I'm going to do my push-ups on this bench here, keeping in mind that the lower we go to the floor, the harder it becomes. Now, so if you're new to push-ups or you haven't done push-ups in a long time, it's okay to use something like a wall or maybe a countertop that's a little bit higher or a table that's somewhere in between. Now, if you're super proficient in push-ups, you're feeling really strong, then of course it's always okay to go to the ground as well, or even in that fully prone position. Push-ups are focusing on our chest, our shoulders, and our upper back. Of course, we're keeping our body nice and tight. We're engaging the core and the glutes to keep that body in that straight line. Really important not to let the hips sag towards the floor or push the hips back during that push-up phase. So for our setup, regardless whether your surface is the floor, here, or even the wall, you want to engage, get the hands on into a good position. Now we're going to be slightly wider than our shoulders today. Now the things that can happen, those shoulders are going to want to take over. They're going to crunch up like this. So once we get those hands slightly wider than those shoulders, I want you to actively pull those shoulders down. And once you have those shoulders actively pulled down, look what happens with my hands. My hands almost externally rotate to the right and to the left. That's how you know that the muscles that engage the scapula and keep them in place are working. Now we're here. Everything is engaged. My belly is nice and tight. From here, I'm going to step my feet back and keep my belly and my butt nice and tight. From here, we should have a nice straight line, shoulders to hips to heels. Remember, no sagging here, no pressing back here. I want that nice straight line. So from here, my chest, my shoulders, my belly, my back, and my butt are all engaged. Now I'm going to inhale, I'm going to lower. Exhale, press into the surface to get back home. Now when we inhale and lower, we're looking for that chest to come to the surface or for the shoulders to be parallel with the elbows. Then we exhale, press up. Now I'm going to step forward, stand up nice and tall, disengage. I want to show you from the front as well, because I think it's important to be able to see what those elbows are doing. You don't want the elbows to come up to be in line with the shoulders here. When we talk about lowering to that point with the shoulders in line with the elbows, notice how the elbows are below the shoulders, but they're still coming in line in terms of that front to back. Okay. So no letting the elbows come up here. Don't let the shoulders take over. When you lower, they should be coming down to our side, just about here. So I'm going to set up, pull the shoulders down, belly tight, butt tight. I'm stepping back. I have that straight line. I'm inhaling, lowering. Check the shoulders, see where the elbows, where they go. Exhale, press. Good. We'll do one more. Look at the elbows come down at that 45. The shoulders stay away from the ears. And we exhale, press. Hand up. When we're finished, simply step forward and stand nice and tall.